You're booking an Alaskan cruise and you want to know what is the best season and month to go. Stay tuned to learn 4 reasons why July may be the best month for your ideal Alaskan cruise. If you find this video helpful in any way, please give it a like. Thank you for doing that, and let's get started. Reason number 1, the warmest weather. On average, July is the warmest month of the cruise season, which runs from April to October. There are several reasons why having the warmest weather is ideal for an Alaskan cruise, and we'll cover a few of these later. For now, let's focus on that having warmer weather is simply more comfortable, allowing you to enjoy your cruise at the mildest temperatures with the least amount of chill in the air. You'll be able to leave your warmest clothing layers behind, such as warm gloves and heavy pants. To learn what to pack and what layers to take for any season in Alaska, watch this video. Going in July even gives you the possibility of enjoying your ship's water slides and pool. Reason number 2, the summer wildlife season. One of the most enjoyable parts of an Alaskan cruise is seeing the wildlife. Bears are active during the summer, and the salmon makes its run up the river, making July once again a great time to visit. Reason number 3, avoid excursion cancellations. Having the warmest weather gives the best chance for the best weather, which in turn help reduce the chance of having your excursions being canceled due to inclement weather. Due to bad weather, helicopter tours, kayaking trips, boating trips, and the like may be canceled or rescheduled. In addition, by booking your cruise in July, you're more likely to keep your trip to Glacier Bay, which could be skipped by your cruise line during colder months if there is too much ice in the water. There can be a moderate amount of rain in July, but with warmer temps, the likelihood of bad weather causing issues for your itinerary and excursions may be reduced. Reason number 4, greater visibility. Along with seeing wildlife, one of the best experiences of an Alaskan cruise is viewing the scenery. July offers the most hours of sunlight per day of the entire cruise season, which allows for longer days and more chances to see wildlife from your cruise ship as you sail through the Inside Passage. With the warmer, milder temperatures in July, there's less chance that your view will be blocked by fog and low-lying clouds. During my July cruise, we had a limited amount of fog, but mostly clear, sunny skies. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Happy Alaskan travels!